Hi guys, I want to start off this video by apologizing for being so inactive this last while. I did have a tragedy in the family. My mom passed away and it has been affecting me on an energetic level and an emotional level to such a degree where I didn't feel up to making any videos. And this video specifically I've wanted to get to for over 3 weeks now. I was so excited when I received this, and it's one of my favorite color stories, and I just didn't get around to it. So today we're going to get into the swatches for this beautiful purple palette. It's from p.louise. A World Full of Wonder. I did get this palette bundled with the box with all the brushes. I will upload a separate short video for that one. But I did want to do a full video on the swatches for this because it's such a huge palette. It's almost like a jewelry box type of thing. It's got these little lights and it's got clouds that move around. I don't know if you can see that. When you move the box, these little clouds move around on the inside. And it's not just a palette, it's almost like a keepsake box. When you open it, it's got all these beautiful colors on the inside. Just lift it. The pans are bigger than I expected. They're bigger than square pans normally are. Oh, these colors are amazing. And then it has this little drawer at the bottom with even more colors. So if you are a purple lover like me, this palette would be for you. I am going to start off swatching. I'll hop into the top layer. I'm going to just go row by row until I run out of space, and then I will clean up and do another row, and then I will talk afterwards about my favorite colors. So let's just hop into that. Okay guys, there we have the first 2 rows. They are absolutely stunning. This pigment is so great. The shimmers are, I love this one. And I love the purple over here. And even the mattes, they are so pigmented and they really swatch smoothly for a purpley color. So let's get into the last row of this one and the first row of the next one. I actually think I'm gonna swap my arms for this one. Let's try that. This is beautiful. Even that one. Okay guys, there we have the bottom row of the top palette and the top row of the bottom palette. I love these deep purpley colors. I love all the shimmers, let's face it. And even these lilac-y lavendery colors, they are so pretty. Okay, those four swatched a bit funny, but I think it's my angle. Okay, and there's the last two rows. I really love this dark mauvey chocolatey color. Some of the purpley colors seem a bit redundant, especially the mattes. They are very similar and you can do without some of them. I also like this bluish periwinkle kind of color, and this light color at the end has a bit more of a neutral undertone to it rather than a pinky purple. And I am super excited to play around with these. And there we go, guys. I think this might be the perfect palette for a purple lover. I am very excited to try out the formula on my eyes and play around with a few looks. If you are excited to see that, let me know. Then I will get on that as soon as I can. And I do know that they do have boxy palettes like these with different ranges. One that came out with this one has a lot of neutral and warm undertones, so it's got your browns and your oranges, and then I think there's a green one. So just go look around on p.louise's site if you're interested in this kind of palette, but not necessarily this color story, because I think that there's a lot that you can find there with big variety and big pans. I mean, these pans are really, I guess, about 2 centimeters. I don't know what that is, just under an inch if you're a non-metrical person. And as I said, I did get the brushes with the palette, so I will be using the same brushes when I do my first look with this palette, just to see how they work together. And then I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Let me know what you think, and then I hope to see you next time. Bye!